Okay, let's bring the people in and get them on so I can go find something to eat. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, who's on the phone number ending in 6371?
Yes. Hi.
What's your name?
Cheryl. Cheryl Clay.
Thank you, Miss Clay. Let's see here. Miss Clay, do you have a video capability?
Oh, no. I don't know. I thought, no, I don't have that. Because it said a choice. I thought you have to call. And
you
it say
don't have
call.
a choice. You need to, this is court, you need to call in with your video, or you have to come in person.
Oh, wow. They come. Okay, so I can get ready to come, but I'm going to be late, or unless I do another one tomorrow morning.
Do you have it? You're not on a smartphone?
Yeah, but I don't know how to do it. I guess I got a smartphone, but I don't know if it'll work. I don't.
We can help you.
Maybe I don't have one. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
We can help you with that, ma'am. Just give me a moment.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
No problem. I see Mr. Air Ellis here.
Good morning. I didn't know how to,
Miss Clay, I'm gonna address someone else. So this is part of the reason why people have to come with video, because you can't see when I'm talking to someone else. So I'll call your name when I'm ready to address you again. Okay, Miss Clay?
Okay, what was that you said? I'm sorry. You said
I'm addressing someone else, and I need you to not talk during that time because it'll go on my record. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Who is Shell J2?
Your Honor, James Shell, Assistant Attorney General on Michigan Department of Transportation versus Jerry Len Edwards, who is in pro per.
Okay, Mr. Edwards is present, it appears, but he's not started his video or audio. I just sent you a request to start your video. Okay. Who's on iWorld?
Amber Anderson. Ma'am.
Amber Anderson, okay. Okay, and let me see if Mr. Edwards wants to start his audio. Okay, this sign is for Mr. Edwards. I can see you and hear you, Mr. Ellis.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you.
Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Michael Brandon Ayers Ellis. This is the file number 19-04801. I'm sorry, Miss Anderson, are you smoking?
Sorry. I'm sorry. I just woke up.
Okay. If you can't conduct this hearing as you would if you were in person, I'll order you to come in person, okay?
All right. I'll stop. Sorry.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Ayers Ellis, today's the date that's set for an arraignment on a probation violation. I have here a request and summons for probation violation, and the allegation is that hold here.
Sorry, go ahead. I'm
allegation is that
sorry.
Thank you. The allegation is that you failed to report to your probation officer back in September of 2021. Your scheduled date was September 2nd. There's a allegation that you failed to pay fines and costs in the amount due of $373 as of August 28, 2021, but you have a total amount due of $455. There's an allegation that you failed to complete outpatient substance abuse treatment and pay the fee and provide proof of completion to your probation officer. There's an allegation that you failed to continue treatment at Victory Clinic, pay fees, and provide proof of completion to the court. And that it says, while client may report he is attending Victory Clinic for substance abuse treatment, no verification has been provided to your probation officer and several requests have been made. So you have the right to have a contested hearing, sir. You have the right to be represented by counsel during this violation. This violation, if you're sustained, can be resulting in a termination of your probation. You could be sentenced to a jail time, or I could extend your probation and add additional sanctions. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. May I have a chance to speak?
Wait. I'm gonna make sure you know your rights before you say anything that could be used against you, okay?
Okay, sorry.
Okay, so you have the right to be represented by counsel during these proceedings related to violation of probation. Did you want to request court-appointed counsel to represent you for these alleged violations?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So the court will enter a plea of not guilty. Will note that you requested court-appointed counsel to represent you. You'll have an opportunity to speak about these alleged violations with court-appointed counsel before we proceed on this, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Let me give you a date. We'll set it for a hearing. That way, attorney will be here for you. That's fine.
Okay.
We'll set it for November 29th at 1:30, okay?
Okay. May I speak?
Long as you're not going to tell me anything that could be used against you.
I was just gonna say it's a huge misunderstanding. I'm still
Explain.
asking.
Okay. Well, you're getting into the merit of the allegation. So what we're going to do is we're going to put you in a private meeting room with Ms. Donnelly. You can tell her what you want to tell the court, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
The 29th November at 1:30, yeah.
Okay, you're all set. We'll see you on the 29th. Okay. Mr. Edwards?
Yes.
Mr. Edwards, you need to start your video and you need to unmute yourself. Okay, he's not responding. I'm going to move on. Okay, Miss Amber Anderson.
Yes, ma'am.
On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Amber Anderson. The file number is 21-00688. Ms. Anderson, today's the date that's set for arraignment on a probation violation. I have here a request in summons for probation violation. It alleges that you failed to make monthly payments on your fines and costs in August, September, or October, and that you failed to the requirements of random urinalysis by testing positive for THC on October 26, 2021 per Shiawassee County. And so you have the right to be represented by counsel. You have the right to have a contested hearing. And if you are found guilty of these violations, you could be sentenced to a term of jail time. Your probation can be extended, or you could be subject to increased sanctions like additional testing and services. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you want to request court-appointed counsel?
If I may ask, is that what happened last time? Like, is that Like I talked to somebody.
You did have court-appointed counsel previously.
Okay, then yes, ma'am. Please and thank you.
Okay. Okay, so we'll enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf as to the violations at this time. We will set it for a hearing, and that way you'll have an opportunity to talk to the public defender. We do have a public defender present today, and she'll meet with you when she's available, okay?
All right, I just stay online and then I'll talk to her.
Yeah, you stay online, and when she's available, I'll put you in a private meeting room with her. Your hearing is going to be November 29th. You said at what time?
At 1:30.
At 1:30, okay?
All right. I think I understand. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. I'll put you on mute until you go into the breakout room.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Edwards, can you hear me? Okay, I see Dawn Blair.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi, which matter are you here for?
I am here on Midland versus Cheryl Clay for the plaintiff.
Okay, we're on the record in the matter of Midland Funding LLC versus Cheryl Clay, file number 0806966 GCE. Counsel appearance.
Dawn Blair on behalf of the plaintiff Midland Funding, P62601.
Okay, and Ms. Clay, can you state your name, please?
Yes, hi. I'm Cheryl Clay.
Okay, Ms. Clay, you're not on video, but you don't have an attorney, do you?
No.
Okay, so today was the date that was, no, you're fine. Today's the day that was set for a hearing. There was an objection or to set aside a payment.
Yes.
Installment payment.
Yes, because yes, I didn't have a job. I got on short-term disability, and I called them, and I was letting them know if I get extra money or whatever happens, I can start back paying on that. I always paid on it, but like I said, I've been out of a job. I'm on short-term disability. I hardly can't even pay anything right now, so that's the reason why it haven't been paid. But after I have my surgery, and after that, going back to work and all that, I would let them know.
Okay, your payments are $10 a month?
Right, I couldn't have not paid it at the time right now because you can't really depend on a short-term disability from your job. And it was like, sometimes it might be a month or two, but they do end up giving you the rest. So I had to catch up with a lot of stuff that I could not pay. But I probably can start paying like probably the first year of January. I hope so anyway, if I can, if they don't, if they
When are you
agree
supposed
to
to
it.
have surgery, ma'am?
November 30th at 8 o'clock.
Your Honor, may plaintiff request that this payment order still be set aside? She has not made a payment on this since March of 2021. And I'm not hearing that she can bring it current, nor that she can begin payments again, at least for another couple months. Plaintiff would suggest if she's in a position to make payments in the future, she can petition the court for another installment order.
I think the concern is that if it's set aside, she's going to get garnished.
Well, if she's on disability though, Your Honor, we wouldn't be able to garnish her disability funds.
Are you receiving your disability, ma'am?
Yes, right now. Yes, I am. It's short-term disability from my job. Yes, short-term disability.
You have surgery November 30th, you said?
Yes, yes.
And you're expecting to go back to work in January?
No. I was just saying that maybe I sign up for Social Security. I haven't got it yet, so that's what I was trying to wait on so I can have some extra money to pay. So no, I would not be going back to work on January, but I'm trying to wait and see if I'm gonna get some extra money because this is gonna run out and I really can't have any income coming in. So I'm trying to wait on that, but it's pending right now.
Okay, so you're not receiving disability right now, it's pending.
Yeah, I'm receiving short-term disability right now. I just couldn't pay anything. But far than Social Security disability, I'm waiting on that also, but I have not received anything yet because it's pending right now. So if I get anything, that's when I call them and try to pay on something or pay whatever I was doing before I got sick and off of my job.
Okay, well, you were only supposed to be paying $10 a month, and there's not been a pay. There's not been a payment since March.
Right, because at that time I didn't really get none. I didn't know what was going on, so that's what made me call them. But if I have to continue to pay the $10, next month or however I can do it, I would still do it if they can just bear with me and I can start paying that. $10. Yeah.
Oh, well, that's not up to the court. It's up to Midland if they want to bear with you or not. The order of the court is for you to make your monthly payments as agreed. You've not done that for a substantial amount of time, so they're requesting to set aside the installment. The court's going to grant the request. If you're receiving short-term disability and that's your only income, that's not garnishable. They can't garnish that. But any other income you may receive will be subject to garnishment.
Right. So what they want me to do, just go ahead and try to send that $10 a month?
Well, the request at this point is to set aside the installment orders. What I could do is I can put you and the attorney for Midland in a private meeting room, and maybe you can have a little bit more in-depth conversation about your financial situation and see if they're willing to bear with you. But the court's not inclined to grant that without their agreement. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. That's okay. That's fine.
What's fine?
Okay. So.
Do you want to go in the meeting room? I'm not sure what you're saying.
Oh, I didn't know if I had to go in there or keep playing. So go ahead and talk to someone in the meeting room, you say?
Yeah, it's the attorney for the plaintiff. I'll put you in a private meeting room. They can ask you some questions about your financial situation and see if they're in a position to give you your request of more time before they would set aside request the installment payment be set aside. Okay.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate that. That would be good. Thank you.
Okay. Hang tight. I'm going to put you in another room. Okay, can you hear me now, Mr. Edwards? Mr. Edwards. Mr. Edwards, can you hear us? Mr. Edwards, are you there? This was a pre-trial. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Okay, it looks like they were stipulating to adjourn. Is that correct? Or did I make that up? That's what Why didn't they send this upstairs? Okay, are you looking to have this adjourned, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. The attorney on this file had to take a 2-month absence from work for a medical thing. So I've got the file. Yes, we were seeking to adjourn this. I also
Hello,
filed.
can anybody hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now. Thank you, sir.
Hello,
So,
Yes, can you hear me?
ma'am?
He can't hear us.
I don't know how to work this thing to save my life. Hello,
Mr. Edwards, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so we'll go ahead and adjourn this matter. I'll order Mr. Edwards to come in person since he can't work out Zoom.
well, thank you, Your Honor. We had also filed a motion to seek an amended complaint. Mr. Edwards actually provided us with some very helpful information on who the owner of the truck was, the company, which allegedly allowed the trucks to be on the road without insurance. So the request to amend the complaint, which was filed Friday, would allow the state to bring in the company that actually owns the truck as well.
Okay, and that is JR's Trucks and Parts, or?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I do have that located here. I will sign the order granting your request to amend the complaint. And I
Thank you.
will reset this matter. You said that the attorney is gone for 60 days?
Yes, she'll be back in January.
Okay, we'll.
In the
set this
meantime,
matter-
I will go ahead and have this company served. We will file this
Okay.
and get that served, so to get them in as soon as possible.
January 10th.
Yeah, go, okay, I go out a little bit later just because he has to do service.
January 24th.
Okay, we're gonna reset it for January 24th. January 24th
Okay,
At 1:30.
at 1:30.
perfect.
Okay, any additional matters today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay, and then I think Amber was still here. She's still here. Amber Anderson is here. I'll put her in the room with you, Miss Donnelly. Are we all set with Miss Clay in the breakout room?
Yes, we are.
Okay, I'll bring her back.
Bring her back in. Okay.
Okay, Miss Clay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, we're back on the record in the matter of Midland Funding versus Cheryl Clay. The parties have met privately. Ms. Blair, how do you want to proceed? Do you still want your motion to set aside installments?
What I would like to do, Your Honor, is request that the court adjourn this hearing for 30 days. Ms. Clay is going to attempt to bring her payments current and then continue on with the payment order that's in effect. What I would propose is that if Ms. Clay is able to bring her payments current prior to the next hearing, then plaintiff would contact the court and withdraw their motion to set aside her payment order. If she doesn't bring it current, then we would move forward again.
We can do December 20th.
December 20th work for you?
That would be fine for us.
What time?
At 1:30.
It's gonna be at 1:30.
Perfect.
Okay, we'll see you both then, okay, Miss Clay?
I'm sorry, what was that? I heard that December something.
We're resetting your hearing for December 20th at 1:30 because according to your discussion with plaintiff's counsel, you're going to make an attempt to bring your payments current. And if you do so, by that date, they'll withdraw their motion, okay?
Okay, say it one more time, the date. I heard 1:30.
On December 20th.
Okay, December. Okay. So I call in again, right?
Yes, but you should call in with video by that time, okay? Figure out how to work that. You have to download the app, okay?
Okay, download the app. Okay. Okay. But you have to have, okay. Okay. So, okay.
You have any questions?
No, thank you.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good
All
one.
right. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I think Mr. Edwards is back.